Well, today is the day that we start changing the oil and getting the boat ready for the winter. I really hate this, but hey, it's better to do it now and have fresh oil sitting in the engine by the time it comes to spring. So on our Chris Craft 381, we still have an old Graco oil exchange pump, but it still works. Just clamp on a hose clamp and it goes right into the bucket. So let's try this out. It's a little messy, but we're done. As you can tell, it's a little hard to get the oil back into the 454. So the pump is reversible. So I just got done doing the starboard engine. So let's do the port side engine. Takes a little longer because the viscosity is a little bit thicker since the engine I warmed up to drain the oil. And we'll open that valve. There we go. Now it's sucking. So that feeds and goes to our port side engine. Tip this bottle a little bit. Still going, but it's almost done. So I'm gonna go ahead, shut the valve off and the pump, and that's it. Now for the filters.